Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, in the last session, we completed chapter 5. Yes? Am I correct? Yes. So, now in this class, shall we go to the next chapter? So, what is the name of our sixth chapter, children? Heavy and light. Everyone open page number 79. Okay? Everyone open page number 79. So now in this chapter we are going to learn about heavy and light. Okay. So first we are given pep activity. Read the story given below. So everyone read the story along with me, children, and listen carefully. First one, Poppy and Pokey left home to build their own houses. So actually in the first, Pokey and Poppy living together. But now these two are wants to build their houses separately. So Poppy made a straw house. Okay, Poppy made a straw house and Pokey made a house with bricks. One day a wolf came and tried to blow away the houses. Okay, one day a wolf came and tried to blow away these two houses. So now in this you have to think, children. Wolf could blow off the two houses, children. Wolf could blow off means two houses ni padegalda a wolf vachi. So here Poppy made with using of straws. So straws is very lighter item. Yes or no, children? Straw is very light. So when coming to the bricks is heavy, no. So brick. So here the wolf didn't blow off the two houses. Why? Because brick is heavier. So the wolf didn't blow off the Pocky house. So here you have to pick no. Wolf didn't blow off the two houses. Why? Because here brick is heavier. Brick is heavier than straw and straw is lighter than brick. Here houses are made with two straws and bricks. Straw is very lighter item and brick is very heavier item. Next, open page number 80, children. Observe 6.2. Look at the pictures given below. Circle the object which you think is heavier. Okay, which you think is heavier. Tick the object which you think is lighter. Okay, tick the object which you think is lighter. Okay, children, so here I am showing one object. What is this, children? We know that this is apple. Okay, this is an apple. So here given apple and feather. Apple and feather. So here in these two, which one is heavier, children? We know apple is heavier than feather. Okay, apple is heavier than feather. So tick the apple. Here asking, tick the heavier item. So this is heavier. Now you have to tick apple. Okay, children, so here tick the object. First circle the object which you think is heavier. So you have to circle the heavier object. So apple is heavier object. No, you have to circle apple. Okay, circle apple and tick the object which you think is lighter. You have to tick the lighter object. So here feather is lighter object. No, so tick the feather and circle the apple. Okay, circle the apple and tick the feather. Next, hands up. Your teacher write H near heavier object and L near the lighter object in each set below. So here you have to write H for heavier objects and L for lighter objects. So here book and pen. Okay, book and pen. This is book and this is pen. In these two objects, which one is heavier item, children? So obviously book is heavier object and pen is lighter object. Okay, book is heavier object and pen is lighter object. So write heavier means H. Write H near heavier object and L near lighter object. Okay. Next. So observe here, children. Here given feather and stone. Feather, stone. So we know that feather is lighter object, means write L. Stone is heavier object. No, write H. Okay, you have to do the remaining two, children. Observe which one is heavier and which one is lighter. We use words heavier or lighter when we compare two objects. Okay, when we compare two objects, we are using heavier. For example, if you compare these two, apple and pencil, apple is heavier item and pencil is lighter item. So when we use heavier and lighter, children, when we compare two objects, okay, when we compare two objects, we are using heavier and lighter. Next, observe 6.4. You are going on a vacation. Your luggage is heavy. What items of yours will you remove to make it lighter? Share it with your teacher. Okay, children. So, what items of yours will you remove to make it lighter? Share with your teacher. Okay, so you and your family are going vacation. So, you bring some clothes and water bottles and food and many other things. So, but your luggage is heavy. Okay, your luggage is heavy. So, you think what items of yours will remove to make it lighter, children? For example, the water bottles is heavier. No, you have to remove that. Means you have to carry the bags very easily. Next, 6.5. Take turns to hold a tennis ball, a pen and a bottle filled with water. Fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to take tennis ball. So here I am taking normal ball. You have to take tennis ball and pen and water bottle. Okay, children, you have to take water bottle. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The water bottle is lighter or heavier than the ball, children? So we are given totally three objects: pen, ball and water bottle. So in the first blank, the water bottle is dash then the ball. So you have to take ball and water bottle. Water bottle is heavier or lighter than the ball, children? If this bottle is filled with water, so here the water bottle is heavier than the ball. Okay, the water bottle is heavier than the ball. So here you have to write heavier. Next, the ball is dash than the pen. Okay, this is ball and this is pen. Ball is heavier than the pen or lighter than the pen, children? Obviously, ball is heavier item. When we compare pen, ball is heavier. So here in second blank also write heavier. Okay. So first we are given also water bottle is heavier than the ball and ball is heavier than the pen. So we say that the water bottle is heaviest. Okay, water bottle is heaviest and pen is the lightest among three. Okay, in these three, water bottle is the heaviest and pen is the lightest. We use the words heaviest and lightest when we compare more than two objects. Okay, we use heaviest and lightest when we compare more than two objects. We are using heaviest and lightest. For example, if we compare two objects, we are using only heavier and lighter, children. When we compare two, for example, when we compare these two only, we are using ball is heavier than pen and pen is lighter than ball. So, but when we compare more than two, means if three means we are using heaviest and lightest. For example, bottle is heaviest. Okay, bottle is heaviest object and pen is lightest object. Okay, children, are you clear? When we use heaviest and lightest, when we compare more than two objects, we are using heaviest and lightest. And when we use heavier and and lighter when we compare only two objects. So for example, I want to compare eraser and duster. So which I am using heavier and lighter only. Eraser is lighter object and duster is heavier object. Now I want to compare three items, eraser, duster and book. Eraser, duster and book. Book is heaviest object and eraser is lightest object. Okay, book is heaviest and eraser is lightest object. Okay children, I think are you clear? Okay children, so now everyone open companion page number 51. Okay, gear up. In each page, tick the object which appears to be heavier. So in these two, you have to tick which object appears to be the heavier. You have to tick the heavier object. Butterfly is heavier or elephant is heavier, children? Elephant is heavier. So you have to tick elephant. So next here given table and kite. Table is heavier or kite is heavier, children? Table is heavier. Now you have to tick table. Okay children, you have to do the remaining as homework. Next, open page number 52. So you are given totally two objects. In each pair, circle the object which appears to be heavier. Okay. So now in these two, you have to circle the heavier object. Okay. So in these two, which one is heavier, children? Watermelon, melon or pencil? Watermelon is heavier. So circle watermelon. You have to do like this, children, remaining as homework. Which one is heavier object? You have to circle. This is very easy. Next, open page number 53. In each set, circle the object that you think is the heaviest. Okay, here given heaviest. Why the word heaviest given here? Here given three objects. So more than two objects we are using heaviest. So here in these three, you have to circle the heaviest object. So here given first book, and I think it is rice packet or something, and it is balloon. In these three, which one is heaviest, children? Rice packet is heaviest. So circle rice packet like this. Okay. So next you have to think which one is heavier and circle. So next here, in each set, circle the object you think is the lightest. You have to circle the lightest object. Okay, here it is fan, and here it is cell phone, and it is computer. Fan, cell phone, computer. So in these three, which one is heavier, children? Once you have to think. Here given total set. Okay, here given just fan, but here given total set. So this is the heaviest. Okay, this is heaviest, and but here you have to circle the lightest. Which one is lightest? Cell phone is lightest. So you have to circle cell phone. Okay children, so this is about today's class. In this class, which topics we have discussed? We discussed about heavier and lighter. When we are using heavier and lighter? When we compare two objects, we are using heavier and lighter. And heaviest and lightest. When we are using these two words, when we compare more than two objects, we are using heaviest and lightest. Okay children, thank you. This is about today's class. You have to do the given homework and send to me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye children.